Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you what is add picture activity and how to use this add picture activity in UiPath. So you can find this add picture activity under what category? Under app integration. Okay, so it is used to add the picture at the end of the specified Word document, and it is included in UiPath.Word.activities package. So you need to install Word packages first, and this you can add you can use this add picture activity in Word application scope only. So first we need to drag and drop Word application scope activity in your designer panel. So if you see, I have a sample document which contains some data. So now I am going to add a picture at this position. So go to our UiPath Studio, and I am going to give the path of the Word document, and let me give this sample Word document path, and here let me drag and drop this add picture activity in do section. Okay, so here we need to give the path of the image to which image that we are going to add to the Word document, and click on this folder icon and select the path of the image. Okay, so let me open it. So path is selected. So this is so simple, and let me run this board. So it's done, and you can go to your Word document and check. See here, the image is added at end of this Word document. So this is how adding a picture to the Word document. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like to my video.